What is monkeypox or mpox? How does it symptomize itself? And how much has it spreaded in Lahore in the last 24 hours specifically? And then from August 2025 till as of April 2026 generally. Monkeypox is actually a viral infectious disease that symptomizes itself in the form of blisters and extremities on your face, rashness, muscle aches, fever, and uncertain and unusual headaches. This monkeypox is actually it actually spreads through the contaminated water. It spreads through the infected human bodies or animals and such materials. One probes in the records, in the recent records in Lahore, in the last 24 hours particularly, two new cases have been reported with mpox, one male and one female. And if we talk generally about about the cases that have been reported since August 25 till April 2026, around 30 cases have been reported, and more importantly, 21 cases were identified and treated accordingly, solely and particularly in the Mayo Hospital. In the recent month, 5 cases were reported and treated in the Mayo Hospital, and people have lost lives and they were isolated permanently in the quarantine conditions. In this particular matter, the travel history of the identified patients with monkeypox was also scrutinized, and to their amazement, there was no recent travel history, serving as a testament that it is a local transmission from contaminated materials and waters. Moreover, Punjab Medical Association has come into action and directed the relevant authorities and hospitals to arrange the quarantine and isolated rooms to treat the people or the patients with the monkeypox, and at the same time devised a set of guidelines and intense precautionary measures for the people of Lahore generally, where they had said that if you feel any kind of symptom that is related to the monkeypox, like rashness, blisters, or muscle aches, or uncertain or unusual behavior and headaches, you need to rush to the hospital in order to get symptomized and ultimately cured. You are required to actually abide by these guidelines and take the necessary steps and guidelines in order to prevent any kind of inconvenience due to this viral and fatal infectious disease that is monkeypox.